of what we've been talking about this morning has been experience. And the consciousness of person A versus the consciousness of person B is probably going to be different because of the experiences that they've had. What I would like to talk to you about this morning is how we think that experience is registered by biological systems, and then how that might filter into how we perceive the world. For that, I have to introduce a concept called epigenetics. So you spoke on the first day about chromosomes and DNA on chromosomes. The DNA on chromosomes have chemical marks that let them either be read or not read. That idea of that code, the genetic code, being expressed or not, is called epigenetics. Whether something gets expressed is dependent on certain factors which are in the cell at a particular time, or certain marks which are present on the DNA. And if it's not expressed, there are a different set of marks. Now, why is that important? It's important for two reasons. One is within a generation, as Dr. Koch talked about, there's a language in the brain which is the electrical language. Just like the electrical language, there's a molecular language where environmental experiences can add marks to the DNA, or they can remove marks from the DNA, and that will allow for some genes to be expressed and others not to be expressed. So you can imagine a situation now where you have an impoverished condition or a negative condition which lays down certain marks, versus not, and that might give you a neuron developing in one way versus another, or circuits in one way versus another.